Hey there, fellow kitchen aficionados. Welcome back to my channel. I am thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the exciting realm of kitchen cabinet ideas. If you are on the hunt for ways to give kitchen a fresh and captivating makeover, you are in for treat. For sleek modern designs to rustic charm, we have got a collection of kitchen cabinet ideas that will take your space to the next level. So let's jump right in. Let's start with a classic favorite, the rustic charm. Rustic kitchen cabinets bring a cozy and inviting feel to your space. Think distressed wood, warm earthy tones, and intricate detailing. It's like bringing a piece of countryside into your home. Whether you opt for barn style sliding doors or exposed hinges, these cabinets exude character and timelessness. If you are a fan of sleek lines and clutter-free spaces, then modern minimalism might be your cup of tea. Clean flat panel cabinets with concealed handles create a seamless and sophisticated look. Choose a monochromatic color scheme for an ultra contemporary vibe, and don't forget to add some under cabinet lighting to accentuate the minimalist aesthetic. Looking to add a touch of glamour to your kitchen, glass front cabinets are there to steal the show. These cabinets combine practical storage with an elegant display space. Show off your prized china or stylish glassware behind beautifully crafted panels. It's a perfect way to infuse elegance and add a hint of nostalgia into your kitchen. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Inject some personality into your kitchen with a burst of color. From bold blues to vibrant yellows, colorful cabinets can instantly transform the atmosphere of your space. Pair your colorful cabinets with neutral tones to balance the visual impact and create a harmonious look. Let's face it, a kitchen can never have too much storage. Smart storage solutions are a must for keeping your space organized and efficient. Pull out spice racks, deep drawers, and vertical dividers can maximize your cabinet's potential. It's all about functionality without compromising on style. If you are someone who loves to showcase their kitchen treasures, open shelving might be your new obsession. This trend not only adds a touch of contemporary charm but also encourages you to curate a display that reflects your personality. Mix and match dishes, cookbooks, and decorative items to create a visual feast for your guests. And there you have it. My Kitchen Comrades, a collection of captivating cabinet ideas to ignite your creative spark. Whether you are drawn to the allure of rustic vibes or sleekness of modern aesthetics, these ideas are here to inspire your kitchen transformation. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring content. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel, and remember, the heart of every home is its kitchen, so make it extraordinary. Thank you for watching.